Lesson 14a, Usage of tenses. Tense number 7, past perfect tense. Action finished before another past action. Lal had gone out when his wife arrived in the office. Action happened before a specific time in the past. Bobby had never been to an opera before last December. Action started in the past and continued up to a given time in the past. We had owned that car for 10 years before it broke down. Cause and effect combined with past simple. I got stuck in traffic because there had been an accident. Emphasize the results of an activity in the past. By the time she turned 25, she had published 3 novels. Lesson 14a, Usage of tenses. Tense number 8, present perfect tense. Things you have done in your life. I have been to England. Number of times you have done something. I have been to Sigiriya 3 times. Recently completed action which are important now. I have already lost my job. Situation that started in the past and are still true. I have known Dr. Benjamin since 1970s. Present results. John has just missed the bus, so he will be late. Unfinished action or situation. I have lived in Colombo since 2014. Lesson 14a, Usage of tenses. Tense number 9, future perfect tense. Action completed before a specific future time. I will have finished my research project before Christmas. Action completed before another future event. The train will have left before we arrive at the station. Expressing a strong assumption or probability. The guests will have arrived at the venue by now. Let's call them. Lesson 14a, Usage of tenses. Tense number 10, past perfect continuous tense. Express a past action that already started and continued up to another action or time in the past. The boys had been playing football for about an hour when it started to rain. Emphasize the duration of an activity in the past. Dr. Sarath needed a holiday because he had been working hard for 6 months. Express the cause of something in the past. Someone was tired because he had been jogging for an hour. Lesson 14a, Usage of tenses. Tense number 11, present perfect continuous tense. Long action that started in the past and continued until now. I have been living in Colombo for almost 12 years. Recent action that have clear evidence or results now. Her eyes are red because she had been crying all day. Typically used for short or more temporary situations. All my subscribers have been learning English this week. Lesson 14a, Usage of tenses. Tense number 12, future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to look back from a specific point or event in the future and emphasize how long an ongoing action has been in progress. It is primarily used to, number 1, show duration up to a specific future deadline or event, usually paired with the time expression like for or since. Demonstrate cause and effect, explaining a future state as the result of a long continuous action. By December, I will have been working on this research project for 2 years. So we rarely use this tense, but we will be covering this tense in the future. If you look at the usage of each tense, the total number of usage is 65. Now there's a challenge. Write 2 examples for each usage. Don't repeat any word. Then chunk them. Change them into yes, no, and WH question, both positive and negative. Answer those questions as fast as you can. If you write a 10-word sentence per usage, you will need 1300 words and you will definitely become fluent. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Until then, watch these videos at least twice a day. With this lesson, we have covered most of the basic grammar part. From the next lesson, it would be more focused on listening and speaking activities.